who is Nomura DS? They're a family-owned company located in Daegu, Korea. They were established in 1995, and they actually started as a contract machine shop manufacturing semiconductor, electronics, aerospace and machinery components, things like that. So this included making precision parts for Japanese machine tool builders like Mazak and others that you may be familiar with. They made high tolerance parts such as couplings and spindles, gears and bearing blocks. And then since they were already making some of the most complex parts of machine tools, they decided to start manufacturing the full machine tools themselves. So in 2015, they bought the Japanese machine tool company Nomura, and then they started to further enhance and expand that product line with extensive R&D investment.
They've gone from parts and accessories to being one of the most accurate rigid machine tools in the world, and they're focusing predominantly on screw machine and small footprint vertical mills, drill tap centers.
Yeah, it's truly one of the best kept secrets in the machine tool industry. It offers a lot more features for typically a lot less money.
That's right, And now the name Nomura has become synonymous with quality construction, speed, and accuracy. They typically offer a better machine package at a much more competitive price. And you combine that with great nationwide service and support, and it's hard to beat.
The Nomura compact machining centers are a blend of speed and power in a compact footprint.
Oh, that's for sure. When you're talking about anywhere from 10 to 40,000 RPM spindles, and in a small package that's giving you rigidity and performance and accuracy without sacrificing the usual bells and whistles that you get with say a 40 taper machine. Nomura DS has enough engineering going into each one of their machines that we can now take a sizable cut in something other than aluminum. No, we're able to take a healthy cut in some substantial metal. To my right over here, we've got a twin spindle vertical machine. This is not a new concept, but Nomura has taken it to the next level. We don't even have the same plane of our material from the left spindle to the right spindle. There's about a 2.5, 3 inch difference between the two, but because the Z is independent of one another, a multiple spindle will allow you to have two parts in the cut simultaneously. Sometimes we want to have that same sort of advantage, but we don't want to have the downtime of having to open the door and place in a new part or a new pair of parts. So all the way on the far end, we have our pallet changer machine, which allows an operator to make a change to the part while there's a part inside the machine making chips, making money. So this is a highly valuable thing that allows you to increase your productivity and lower your cost per part. We have a couple of drilling options for the semiconductor industry that will speed up the process of micro fine holes, things that you normally wouldn't think that you could drill through in tough materials. Nomura DS has the answer for that. Nomura DS offers more configurations, more different ways of having your machine set up than anybody else in the field. Nomura DS, that machine on the end, has twin B axes that can be moving simultaneously. We are the only ones in the industry that can do that. Nomura DS offers more backside tool stations than just about anybody else, and at a price point that they can't even touch on a machine that doesn't have the backside. We also have high RPM spindle attachments, frills and frou-frou like the gear hobbing and eccentric drilling and milling, thread whirling attachments. And then, of course, I touched briefly on the micro vibration technology that allows you to just single M code and you're going to break a chip in any material. And this is huge for industries such as medical, aerospace, firearms. Just about anybody who can use a screw machine that runs from 8,000 to 15,000 RPM. Nomura DS offers an optional non-guide bushing all the way up to the 40 millimeter size, so that increases the capacity of your machine. Now, one thing you guys are probably noticing is that we're very heavy on the Mitsubishi control. It has a couple of benefits that Fanuc can't touch, like the expandable memory through a compact flash card or a USB drive. We can run off of that compact flash card. We can run from the USB drive without my program ever having touched the machine.
So what I'm hearing here is Nomura DS offers a lot more value for a lot less money, Charlie.
A lot. And that's the key. That's the key. Sure, anybody can slap together a machine tool and charge you a base price. But Nomura DS has gone the extra mile. They've added the engineering, they've added the rigidity, they've added the industry experience, and they put it all together in a customizable package that is still affordable. And there are some other brands out there that they're more widely known, they've got a little higher name recognition, but none of them can compete with the combination of price, accuracy, and rigidity that Nomura DS can have.